Hi guys, happy to have you guys back here in Coinex the Producer. Today's video is gonna be a continuation of step-by-step guide to becoming a music producer, and today's video will be the part 1 in this series. We'll be talking about the list of things you are expected to have or buy to prepare yourself in this journey of becoming a music producer. Number 1 on the list is a laptop or a desktop PC. If you're tight on budget, I would recommend you just go for a cheaper one, but let it fall within the grade of a dual core or a Core i5. Just to clarify things, this recommendation I'm making is actually for those that are on a very tight budget, but if you have the financial capability, go ahead and get yourself a high performance laptop or a desktop PC. Number 2 on the list is an audio interface, which is your sound card. You can go for the cheap one. What we need it for is just to send in and out signal from the controller or from your mic into the system, and also to have a more refined high quality output audio from your system. The third on the list is a good condenser mic. The fourth on the list is a decent pair of headsets or headphone or a studio monitor, and the fifth on the list is a MIDI controller. So now these are the things you're expected to have. But if you're tight on budget, you can just go for the most important ones, which are a laptop or desktop PC, an audio interface, which is your sound card, and good pair of studio headphones. To make it easier for you, I'll be giving you guys a screenshot of the list of gears that I use, and I'm not saying they are the best, but it has been working for me. So see you guys in the part 2. Stay safe. Bye bye.